Hey, no!
Baby.
No, Kyle.
No.
No. Kyle, no. Kyle, no. Kyle, no.
Kyle.
No.
Get the fuck off!
It doesn't have to be like this, Kyle. Hey, no. No!
Damn it! It's 1v1 though.
What? My guy just lost his parachute. No!
No, thank God. Thank God for break.
I had to ride off the fucking building.
Cherry, you know what bowling tastes like?
What?
Aw, shit.
God damn it, Ryan.
What the heck?
What
What
did that
happened?
tell me?
I
How did that kill me?
really hope that I had insurance on that.
How much it does? You're just high as fuck. Oh no.
Dude! What? Are you retarded?
Ryan, why'd you push me?
You just drove off the edge.
No!
Don't even blame
You
that on
pushed me!
Don't even blame that on me.
God,
You-
guys.
Oh dude, I can't move.
I was on the other side, and I look, and you're going off the building.
You pushed me. Check the recording.
I will check the recording.
You pushed me.
No, there's gonna be a replay going right now, showing that you, Kyle Arthur, just flew off the edge like a dum-dum.
No, I didn't.
It's been proven to the people at home.
Okay, it's right there.
You like that, don't you? You like that in your face. Ah!
Yeah, totally.
Haha, that's why your car's all white.
Whoever pushes someone off is out of record, just saying. Brakes! Brakes! Brakes!
Really, Kyle?
Oh my god.
I wasn't in the
Oh
plane.
my god. Are you serious? Are you
I
kidding
wasn't
me?
in the room.
Why?
Retarded. Stop it, Trevor. I'll
No,
ram
you
off
hit
the
me.
fucking edge.
Hey, we're trying
Do
to
it and see what happens.
something. Stop, please.
Do it and see what happens. Ram me off the edge. Ram me off the edge.
Hey, who wants to pay for my insurance? I got no money. Oh yeah.
Don't do it.
Oh, dude.
What?
This sucks.
You almost had it.
I know.
It
I
takes
just
a little
spent
bit.
$1,000 fucking dollars. They don't
They
land
should be up in the air, right?
Aw, shit. There's a cargo plane coming right for us.
No.
What?
No.
How does that even happen?
No.
What?
Wait, is
What the
somebody
hell?
driving it to you?
You just hit the side of the building and, like, didn't even blow up. You
Look,
just,
look right up there,
you just
Chris.
casually started
Chris,
going
look right
down.
up there.
Oh my god.
What is going
please
on? No, he's going down the side of the building.
don't. Oh.
Oh god, oh god, Chris, run!
What the hell? No! No! 9/11 all over again. Oh no. The closest we've ever been to actually doing it. This is exciting.
Get here, Trevor. Get here, Trevor.
He's gonna like crash and blow it all up and we're gonna put Why do I feel I'm gonna be that kid that does that? It's gonna like drop his car and completely miss the thing.
He's slow.
Hey! No!
He's gonna raise it.
Oh! Thank God. Thank Jesus.
Push Ryan off. Yeah!
We finally got it after 2 hours
on, everyone
of doing
clap.
it. Oh my God.
Oh. That's smoke.
About to push.
Are you guys
Wait,
ready?
was that a go?
Yep.
Do you have a,
It's gonna last 30 seconds.
Chris,
Let's go.
do you have a starting thing or speech?
We've gathered here today to show
I'm just
all
gonna let you
others
guys
that
know.
we can attempt something. Let's go!
Trevor's stuck in that thing.
No! No!
No!
Oh shit!
I'm first off!
Ryan is the first to go. Ryan is the first to go.
Oh shit! Horsepower, baby! Horsepower!
Oh God!
Horsepower!
I
Where's
got
my
this.
horses?
Oh shit, no!
Fuck!
Not on top of me!
Oh shit.